How to fix this PC can't run Windows 11 message. But before we proceed to the step-by-step process, let us not forget the prerequisites. Your CPU processor should be 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip. Your RAM should be 4 GB or more. Your storage should be 64 GB or larger storage device. System firmware, UEFI Secure Boot Capable, TPM, version 2.0. First, you have to restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI. Tap on Security and enable TPM 2.0. Second, in the BIOS or UEFI mode, go to Security and enable Secure Boot. If your CPU is genuinely too old, upgrading the CPU or staying on Windows 11 are your primary options. If you have less than 4 GB RAM, you'll need to add more and 64 GB of free space on your primary drive.